Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ginger turmeric tea. This recipe was given to me by my sister, Grace. We need 2-inch ginger, 4-inch turmeric, pinch of salt, pinch of baking soda, 6 pieces calamansi or half of a lemon, knife and chopping board, strainer, 1 liter water, you can peel or not the ginger and turmeric, just make sure you wash them properly. Roughly chop your turmeric and ginger. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Slice the calamansi and remove the seeds. In a pot or kettle, put the water, ginger, turmeric, and salt. Let it boil. Add the calamansi juice and baking soda. Turn off the heat. Strain the tea while putting into your cup. Be careful, it is hot. There you have it, ginger turmeric tea.
If you are looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit my Jimbo Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.